Now, in this lecture, I am going to explain the cryptocurrencies which are famous in nowadays. First of all, I explain Bitcoin. Bitcoin founded in 2009. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency that is still the most commonly traded. The currency was developed by Satoshi, widely believed to be a pseudonym for individual or group of people whose precise identity remains unknown. Second cryptocurrency is Ethereum, which is well known in this world. Ethereum was developed in 2015. Ethereum is a blockchain platform with its own cryptocurrency called Ethereum or Ethereum. It is the most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. Litecoin. This currency is most similar to Bitcoin but has moved more quickly to develop new innovations, including faster payments and processes to allow more transactions. And other is Ripple. Ripple is a distributed ledger system that was founded in 2012. Ripple can be used to track different kinds of transactions, not just cryptocurrency. The company behind it was worked with various banks and financial institutions. Non-Bitcoin cryptocurrencies are collectively known as altcoins to distinguish them from the original. Now I am going to explain about how to buy cryptocurrency. You may be wondering how to buy cryptocurrency safely. There are typically 3 steps involved. These are: first step is choose a platform. Second step is funding your account. Third step is placing an order. Here I am only explain about choose a platform. The first step is deciding which platform to use. Generally, you can choose between a traditional broker or dedicated cryptocurrency exchange. Traditional brokers. These are online brokers who offer ways to buy and sell cryptocurrency, as well as other financial assets like stocks, bonds, ETFs. These platforms tend to offer lower trading costs but fewer crypto features. Cryptocurrency exchanges. There are many cryptocurrency exchanges to choose from, each offering different cryptocurrencies, wallets, storage, interest bearing account option, and more. Many exchanges charge assets-based fees. When comparing different platforms, consider which cryptocurrency are an offer, what fees they charge, their security features, storage, withdrawal options, and any educational resources. In this lecture, I explain about cryptocurrencies and their difference, and explain how to buy cryptocurrency, and only discuss choose a platform. First step.